Can you see?
I cannot even open my eyes. Super tight. Okay.
Okay.
I go, huh? Okay. Where is the door?
Back.
Straight?
Right. Okay.
I point here. This is definitely Thailand. That's it. Thai quiz. First question. Population of Thailand.
30 million.
More.
50 million.
More.
100 million.
Second question. The flag color of Thailand.
White, blue, red.
Wow! Correct. Incredible. Third question. In Thailand, we can find the smallest animal and the largest animal in the world. Try to guess which kind of animal is the smallest animal.
Mouse.
There is also the largest animal in the world.
Elephant.
Fifth question. What is the real name of the capital of Bangkok?
Too difficult this question.
Okay. The real name is Krongtit Map Kakonu Amoranata no Kisin Misihin Trayuta Hahaya Madale Tokokop No Praktrechinitati Chinananiri Buri Rom. This is the real name of Bangkok. Last question. Which famous drink that we all know come from Thailand?
Thai milk tea.
Only one question right. Out again. Whoa.
Super good.
Yeah, this is tough to decide.
I love Thai food.
Yeah, me too. Well, it would be maybe too much to say like Pad Thai.
Pad Thai?
Yeah.
Pad Thai is my favorite food in Thailand.
Yeah, my one as well.
I want to eat Pad Thai, but I don't think you can buy all these things for making Pad Thai in Italy.
We're gonna try. We're gonna do it.
Okay, so it's Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. So hard to find everything.
This is for Pad Thai. 豆芽菜.
For make Pad Thai.
This one is good.
Garlic, lime.
How many things we need?
Not finished. It's not really fish sauce, but kind of.
我们真的尽力了，但是还是买不到所有的东西。
One thing is missing for the Pad Thai, which is green onion. Here we go. Ready to cook?
Oi!
So for Pad Thai, we need
Rice noodle. Prawn.
Fucking smelly. Maybe they get off.
We will know tomorrow
Yeah.
after we go to toilet.
Exactly.
Soybeans, peanuts, seed oil, fishy sauce, garlic, parsley,
Yeah.
onion, herb,
Sauce from peanuts.
lime, soy sauce, sugar.
Then it's all. All right, let's go. First thing, we put the noodles in the water. Second, we have to chop the herb and mix with a bit of parsley. Now we need a big pot to cook the peanut. Mix until they are very roasted. 2 person, 2 pieces of garlic. Professional chopping. All right, the soybeans, we just wash them and put them in a bowl.
Fish sauce.
Oh, it should be something like that. Now we cook some garlic. We fried it. Not too strong, we don't want it burned. And we want it just flavored. We chuck our noodles in.
Tamarindo sauce.
Yeah, and we mix it with the fish sauce until we get a sort of a cream.
Put some soy sauce.
Yeah. And here we go.
Put the sauce inside the rice noodle.
Yeah. Put the fire up,
Yeah.
maximum.
Yes.
Put some water,
Yep.
mix.
And mix. Looks like so busy to cook Pad Thai. Thai people is
Very
incredible.
Yeah. Actually smells strange.
Yes.
Oh, smells like bleach.
What are you doing now?
We give them.
Give who?
To no. You're gonna eat them tonight.
Around €3. Bye bye. But actually, really original Pad Thai is without meat.
So we make a real Pad Thai.
We use eggs to instead prawn.
3 eggs. We need to put soybeans. So we can put some peanuts and then with the rest one we can break them and make the peanut powder. We put those ones here, put some sugar and break them. Go back here.
Herbs.
Here.
Super strange pad thai. Everything is different with
Some
my
salt.
thinking.
Chuck our egg.
Yes.
And let's mix. Here we go, our pad thai. Suddenly, things to don't do on this pad thai. Put the noodles in hot water, not in cold water, otherwise they won't cook well. And then to cook them, you're gonna touch them. Second things,
Yes.
if you buy the prawns, don't leave them 4 days in the fridge. Another thing, read very well the recipe of the pad thai, because it might be very fast to do.
What's this? Why so colorful?
This is for the top.
Okay, become more strange.
Now this pad thai is pure craziness.
So this is our crazy.
If someone say, what are you doing? I don't know. So good.
Wow.
That's gonna be the top.
So strange. Actually, this is for 3 or 4 person.
I just hope it's good. Wow. So good.
I think Thai people won't see this video.
I hope any Thai people won't see it. Sorry, Thailand. I feel like I'm in Thailand. I can't believe it is good. I thought it was totally shit. We didn't follow a recipe, like 50 grams of this or 30 grams of this. Everything was bullshit.
It's really good. How it become like this?
I don't know. It's really good.
If you wanna make the perfect pad thai, only one secret: don't follow the recipe.
Don't be prepared.
Yeah.
We didn't have the fish sauce, we didn't have the tamarindo juice. We used tamarindo syrup, which is not the juice. We used the fish cube, which is not the fish sauce. We didn't have the coriander. We fucked up the prawns. We didn't follow all the time for the things. Even the noodles are not bad.
Yeah.
I think this thing teaches food is improvisation.
What's me?
It means that you don't have to follow a recipe, but you have to follow your heart. I love it.
Me too. I wanna ask you, think in Thailand the best food top 3?
I think pad thai, and pad thai because I don't know the name of the other food.
For me, the best food is pad thai, then Thai milk tea, mangosteen.
Oh yeah, the sticky rice.
No, I didn't mean that. I mean the fruit. If you open, it's white.
Like garlic.
Yeah, looks like a garlic.
Oh yeah, I like that one as well.
Because in Taiwan, when we were children, we can eat that one in Taiwan. But after a few years, you cannot eat anymore. So when we go to Thailand, we always eat the one, and there's memory our children. 吃光光了。